Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Since the weather is getting warmer and warmer, today we're going to make some delicious yogurt popsicles. Without wasting time, let's just get started. I'll get a big enough bowl and come in with my full cream natural yogurt. Here, I'm using about 300 milliliters. I'll come in with about 150 milliliters of full cream milk. And some condensed milk. This is the sweetener. So if you want it very sweet, you add more. If not, you add less. Finally, I'll come in with some pineapple flavor. You can choose any flavor of your choice. I'll give it a good mix. So I've got my silicone mold ready. With the help of a funnel, I'll just transfer the mixture into the molds. I'll leave those in the freezer for 24 hours. And it's the next day, and here we are, it's all ready. So I'll just pop them out. So, yeah, something to cool you down. Yogurt popsicles, very healthy, very delicious, and you can't stop at one. I hope I did help you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I'll see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.